different rooms in a house. Bedroom.
A room used for sleeping.
This is a master bedroom.
This is a master bedroom.
Living room.
A room where people sit together, watch TV.
The living room is too big for me.
The living room is too big for me.
Toilet.
A room containing a toilet.
Who is in the toilet?
Who is in the toilet?
Dining room.
A room used mainly for eating meals.
I'd like a house with a big dining room.
I'd like a house with a big dining room.
Kitchen.
A room where meals are cooked and prepared.
She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen.
Bathroom.
A room where there is a toilet, a sink, and a bathtub or shower.
Go and wash your hands in the bathroom.
Go and wash your hands in the bathroom.
Laundry room.
A room where clothes are washed, usually with a washing machine.
Is there a laundry room?
Is there a laundry room?
Den.
A casual space for watching TV and entertainment.
Playroom.
A room in a house for children to play or adult recreation.
My house doesn't have a playroom.
My house doesn't have a playroom.
Pantry.
A room used for storing food.
Entry hall.
The main entry from the front door to the public spaces.
The entry hall is too narrow.
The entry hall is too narrow.
Sitting room.
A small living room.